Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, hope you are fine. Today we will discuss another cell organelle that is called endoplasmic reticulum, abbreviated as ER. This endoplasmic reticulum, it is a network of, it is a large network of membrane-bound tubes. Membrane-bound tubes or sheets This endoplasmic reticulum is a large network of membrane-bound tube या sheeten. Endoplasmic reticulum, it looks like long tubes, long tubules, or round round or oblong bags. Oblong bags. You see, endoplasmic reticulum membrane, it is similar in structure to the plasma membrane. Is similar in structure to the plasma membrane. With this endoplasmic, it is a large network of membrane-bound tubes or sheets. It look like long tubules or round or oblong bags. But when endoplasmic reticulum membrane similar in structure to the plasma membrane. Endoplasmic reticulum, it is are two types. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. Ago rough endoplasmic reticulum. Second is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. You see, rough endoplasmic reticulum, it looks rough because it has particles. It looks rough because it has particles called ribosomes attached to its surface. Endoplasmic reticulum, there are two types. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum: rough endoplasmic reticulum RER and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, it looks rough because it has particle, it has ribosomes attached to its surface. Ribosomes, they are present in all the cells. Present in all active cells. These are the sites of protein manufacture. In the active cells, in proteins, they are manufactured in ribosomes. These manufactured proteins, they are then sent to various places in the cell depending on the need. Rough endoplasm, they look rough because they have ribosomes attached on their surface. Ribosomes, they are the sites of protein manufacture. Proteins are manufactured in the ribosomes. These manufactured ribosomes sent to various places in the cell where they are needed. Smooth endoplasm reticulum. Smooth endoplasm reticulum, it helps in the manufacture of fat molecules, fat, lipids, which are important for cell function. Some of these proteins and lipids which are manufactured in the ribosomes, they are used in the building cell membrane. یِم ہسا چھِ گژھان کٲم مےٚ دوٚپ یِم lipids and proteins, they are used, یِم ہسا چھِ use گژھان کتھ منٛز in building the cell membrane. This process is called membrane biogenesis. Some other proteins, they function as enzymes, or they function as function as hormones. ٹھیٖک پتہٕ وٕچھو أسۍ function of endoplasm reticulum. یُس یہِ endoplasm reticulum, one function of the endoplasm reticulum is it serve as a channel. کَمہِ خٲطرٕ for the transport of materials between the cytoplasm and nucleus. مےٚ دوٚپ یُس یہِ transport of materials between the cytoplasm and nucleus, it occurs through the endoplasmic reticulum. تَوٕ ووٚن مےٚ یُس endoplasm, it serves as as channels for the transport of materials between the cytoplasm and the nucleus. Endoplasm reticulum, it also functions as a cytoplasmic framework, providing surface for some of the biochemical activities of the cell. بیٚیہِ ہسا چھِ کران کٲم endoplasm reticulum, یہِ ہسا چھِ provides a surface for some of the biochemical activities of the cell. Use SER, smooth endoplasm reticulum, it plays a role in detoxifying poisons and drugs.